This is the Raw 79 millimeter Cigarette hand roller. This is a really nice, simple machine right here. It works just as it's supposed to work here. It just rolls the cigarettes, and you just put the paper in there, you put the tobacco in there, and it just works really, really well. Comes with these instructions right here, very easy follow instructions. I do have the zigzag rolling machine, same as this. It works very well. I believe that one is a little bit smaller. It's 76 millimeter. This one is the 79, and just does a really great job. And then you get the extra wrap right here, so if something goes wrong with this one here, you just get the extra one, and it just works really, really well. It's very simple to use, and again, you got the instructions right here. It tells you everything you need to do, and it just works really great. Raw is a really great brand. This thing is made, it's crafted really nice. You can see it's got the Raw label on the logo on the bottom here, and it's just very nice, high quality materials in this thing. So definitely want to check this out if you're looking for a cigarette roller. This is a really great one. Highly recommend it.